In the Try This, let's read through the problem. You are offered two different credit cards. Card A charges $75 per year and 15% interest on your average balance. Card B charges $15 per year and 18% interest on your average balance. What would your average balance need to be for the cards to cost you the same amount? So the first thing we have to do is figure out what our variables are. If we look at the last part, it says, what would your average balance need to be? So let's let our first variable be B to represent average balance. Then we need to figure out what we are getting the average balance for, and it's looking to get the costs to be the same amount. So we'll do our other variable as C and let that equal total cost. In part B, we need to go ahead and write our equations down. We are talking about two different cards. So we're going to write an equation for each card, one for card A and one for card B. Since we want the cost to be the same, we're going to let them equal C. So we have C equal to $75 for card A plus 15% interest. 15% as a decimal is 0.15 times the average balance, which is B. For card B, the total cost, which is C, is going to be $15 per year, and then 18% on your average balance, so plus 0.18 times B. In the next part, we need to go through and solve. In order to solve, since they're both set equal to the same variable, we can take this and set it equal to that. So in part C, we're going to have 75 plus 0.15b equal to 15 plus 0.18b. Solving for b, we need to get the b's on the same side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 0.15b from both sides. And that's going to give me 75 equal to 15 plus 0.03b. Then I need to go and subtract 15 from both sides. And that will give me 60 equal to 0.03b. And lastly, divide both sides by 0.03. And I get 2,000 equal to b. In my last part, I need to go ahead and write a complete sentence. So in part D, I can say your average balance would need to be $2,000 for the cards to cost the same.